A mature bowling pattern. There are 5 different body parts that are involved when performing bowling. 1. Preferred arm. 2. Non-preferred arm. 3. Preferred leg. 4. Non-preferred leg. 5. Head. For the preferred arm, in the preparation phase, ball is at the chest level, elbow to the side of the body. Preferred hand inserts fingers in the holes of the bowling ball. Preferred hand is under the ball. Execution phase. Extends preferred arm back behind preferred side of the body, then swings forward. Palm up. Ball is released close to the ground. Follow through phase. Continue to swing preferred arm forward in front of the body. The elbow bends. Hand goes to preferred shoulder. Non-preferred arm. Preparation phase. Ball is at the chest level. Elbow to the side of the body. Palm holding side of the bowling ball. Execution phase. Non-preferred arm moves to the side of the body to aid balance. Follow-through phase. Non-preferred arm stays at the side of the body or slightly behind the body. Preferred leg. Preparation phase. Knee is extended standing upright, toes facing bowling pins, shoulder width apart. Execution phase. Take 3-step approach in which begins with a step with non-preferred foot, then take step with preferred foot followed by another step and last step with their non-preferred foot. Preferred knee is slightly bent at 90-degree angle in form of a lunge. Follow through phase. Top of the non-preferred foot points away from the non-preferred leg. Preferred leg is bent at the knees about 90 degrees. Non-preferred leg. Preparation phase. Knee is extended, standing upright, toes facing bowling pins shoulder width apart. Execution phase. 3-step approach ends at non-preferred foot. Non-preferred leg is slightly bent with preferred leg slightly bent at the knee at 90-degree angle. Follow through phase. Knee is slightly bent and extends back to standing upright position. Head. Preparation phase. Head is up, eyes are focusing on target. Execution phase. Eyes watch the path in which the ball is going. Follow through phase. Head is focusing on bowling pin.